Learn about the recent universe and Earth, a series of major events that took place. First, the most shocking 7-star streak of the year. It's on! And then they make these simulations. The terrifying way the universe will end. Then there are the samples of the changed 6-moon shell. New discoveries. This is really, once again, refreshed human senses and cognition. Let's find out together. The first 7-star continuous pearl world. This year's most spectacular 7-star streak is officially staged. But we must use. Astronomical telescope observations can only be seen. Gold can only be seen with the naked eye. The arrangement scene of would fire 3 stars. Said he was magnificent just because it can fit together and line up. But actually, this is a very common astronomical phenomenon. Humans encounter it about every 3 to 5 years. This depends mainly on the degree of its angle and the celestial phenomenon that appears this time. Not as compact as the one that appeared in 202. Scientists predict in 2149, humans may usher in a 9-star chain of beads, and this celestial phenomenon can be called real, a once-in-a-millennium cosmic wonder. The second end-of-universe theory. How will the universe end? Currently, Papik, professor of theoretical physics at the University of Leeds. A piece of research published in the journal Nature. Think, the universe may actually be suspended in a false vacuum, or in a stable state. Research team, by studying the uncertainty simulation of quantum field theory, discovering the fundamental constants of the universe, may change at some point. Then he will collapse like a house of cards. That is to say, the current universe, in a significantly lower energy state, and vacuum energy. But this state of affairs is only temporary. In the future, it will decay or plummet. Will fall like water in a bottle. Fly back and drown in an instant. The third asteroid has 0 risk. The latest data reveal an asteroid impact. The probability of Earth has dropped to 0 a week ago. The asteroid is called 2020 for Y-4, setting a new record for hitting the Earth. This also results in national planetary defense agencies are highly concerned. His every move. At present, the possibility of impact is arbitrarily ruled out, but the risk of such an asteroid, the future cannot be ignored. Remember the last time an asteroid was over 30 meters in diameter, causing such a significant risk. It was Apophis in 04, although he has a 2.7% chance of hitting the Earth in 2029, but by further observation, also rules out this possibility. Humans are so lucky. It's not easy to save from danger again and again. The fourth moon is Iwanjo. Currently, humans have made new discoveries in lunar samples. Scientists in our country have studied Change 6. Basalt samples brought back by the moon discover rocks on the far side and front of the moon. Crib matter is present in stone samples. This further confirms that the moon was formed at the beginning. The hypothesis of the whole moon scale along the river and ocean, which means around 2.80 billion years ago. There are widespread lava oceans on the moon, and that was an incredible sight to see. If there were humans on Earth at that time, you will see a steaming red moon. The findings have now been published in Science. The fifth record-setting star. Astronomers have just discovered one, hypervelocity star. Its speed reaches to million kilometers per hour. Then humanity's current limit spacecraft Parker speed, nearly 3 times higher. Beyond the current, 200 times the speed of the fastest test aircraft. Scientists analyze through observation the reason for being so fast. Maybe he got too close to a black hole. The result of being ejected by a black hole at high speed. Now he's racing across the galaxy like light. Almost reached the escape velocity of the Milky Way. Someday in the future, he may enter the mysterious interstellar space. Continued wandering.